right, chef, so let's get down to business. The theme for your first stakeout is meat and potatoes. You have 45 minutes and your time starts right now. I am getting out of the way. Meat and potatoes!
We're doing a cooking show, and I was wondering how much you paid for these groceries and if I can buy them off you.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. I paid $95 for everything.
I'll give you 120.
I'll give you 140.
How about 150?
We got a deal.
There you go, man. Thank you. Have a good
It's all
day.
yours, guys.
Got celery, carrots. I got my hot sauce. Protein shake, sour cream, nice. Got potatoes, enchiladas. And I got a big old bag of dog food. I think that guy is single.
Potato chips, potato. Corn chips, no need. Jam, garlic. Woo! Potatoes, broccoli, eggs. Holy, I scored. Bacon, ground beef.
All right, I got diapers. Score. Carrots. Oh no, school glue. Potato chips, hash browns, bacon, chives, sweet potato. Oh God, yes. Onion. Oh God. For all my friends that can't eat these.
Fruit cocktail, that's not potatoes. I have jerky. Okay, there's at least some kind of meat, garlic, orange juice, butter, which is good, peppers, energy drink, clams. I have no idea how to cook clams, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Yes, potatoes. Oh, I'm in so good luck right now. I got Prosecco and some tampons, and a toothbrush. Well, there we go.
45 seconds!
Make sure these hold together. Perfect.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have nightmares about waffle makers after this. How do I flip these things out? They're not as crispy as I like.
So we got this garlic butter that's going right here into these clams.
This is a little coriander and salt, sour cream.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, guys!
That was exciting.
Wow.
Johnny.
Hey, Johnny. Tell us what you made. Meat and potatoes.
So I have a potato waffle, fried egg, and a grape jelly glazed bacon.
Tell us what you made, chef.
Okay, so I did a potato chip fried chicken on a potato roll, spicy sour cream, and pickled carrot with oregano and chili flake.
I made for you a meat and sweet potato pie. Bacon, ham, and inside the hash brown was a little sausage. On top is a hash brown and potato chip crust.
So I prepared a grilled little neck clam, teriyaki beef jerky with a grilled Yukon Gold pepper mash.
The chef that is going home is Cash.
The theme for your second stakeout will be spin the globe. We're looking for a dish from a far-off foreign land. Good news is you don't need your passports. The bad news is we're not leaving the parking lot.
Come on.
You have 45 minutes, and your time starts right now.
Go! Hi, how are you?
Hello.
We're doing a cooking competition. Can I look inside your basket, see if I can use any of it? Okay, great. Okay, we have tea, we have some rice. Okay, I have some tomatoes. Oh, mustard. Yeah, how much did you spend for this?
$63.
Can I give you 80? 100.
I know that I need these groceries right now because time was not my friend last time, so I've got to get these groceries and get cooking. I'll give you 200.
120.
I'll do 200.
No.
Sorry, Danielle. 200. Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.
Tea, some bread, capers, Dijon, some dill, cucumber, got breakfast sausage, cheese, butter, eggs, and ham.
I have some rice, jasmine rice, sushi, nori, okay, soy sauce. Oh my God, great. I got chicken thighs, I got string cheese. Yes, orange drink. Oh, a food chopper in case I get lazy. Cabbage, carrots, peppers. Okay, great. Maybe he was doing some sort of spring roll.
Chilies, dried chilies. Yes, this is awesome. Blueberries, plantains, apples, Cajun pork tenderloin.
Woo! Pork rinds, beans. This is a score.
I can't do this with you, Pink. 2 minutes left.
2 minutes, Heard. Thank you.
Heard.
Let's see. This pork tenderloin looks beautiful. Perfect medium. Not under stress. I am totally not under stress.
The rice has a nice fluffy texture. I got some crunch from my vegetables here.
Got the base of the beans. I'm gonna put the pork on top. Hopefully the plantains will work.
1 minute left, last minute.
Finish strong, guys. Let's do it.
She's still making the hollandaise.
She's loosening that hollandaise. We're in a parking lot and someone's loosening a hollandaise sauce. I think we're doing pretty well. 30 seconds.
Oh my God.
Plate looks delicious.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Time to harass everybody else.
6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Johnny.
Tell us what you made, Chef.
We are going south of the border. This is a Yucatan Peninsula dish, kinda. Beans cooked with Chilean stock, pork tenderloin, chili and apple reduction, crispy plantains, and a chicharron for garnish.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. What I've made is a oat baguette, a poached egg, and a Dijon hollandaise with a fresh cucumber and tarragon dill salad.
Hey, Danielle.
Hi. Today I took you to Asia. I made a orange fried chicken with wok fried vegetables, steamed rice, and toasted sesame seeds.
The chef who will be leaving us will be Chef Danielle.
Congratulations, after a global tour of the universe, you're back in the parking lot and you made it to the last stakeout. Now this is the one that counts because the winning chef will win $10,000, enough for a year's worth of groceries. The theme for your final stakeout is stuff it.
Stuff it.
Yeah, you heard me. I'm talking about a dish that has something delicious stuffed into something else delicious.
Okay.
You have 45 minutes and your time starts right now!
All right, I got some citrus, bananas, and eggs. I think I'm gonna do stuffed banana rosquillos, which is Spanish beignet.
Chicken thigh, potatoes, onions, coconut milk, and bag mix. All right, I'm making pot stickers.
2 minutes left!
Come on, 2 minutes, guys. Come on, guys.
These are beautiful. Look at this. Oh, what?
Stop!
Nothing to see here. It just bounced right back in here.
That better not be mine.
Look at me, Mom, no hands!
Daddy, if this doesn't work out, just get your own show. Just go.
I'm gonna pull my beignets. They're looking good. I'm sweating.
Looking fantastic.
I'm on pins and needles. This is a real cliffhanger. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Wow. This was an intense final stakeout, filled with bananas and soy sauce and broken dreams. Good job. You've each made your dishes with 5 ingredients that you bought from total strangers. Chef Pink, tell us what you bought and tell us what you made.
So this is a banana stuffed rosquillo with orange caramel and bacon. I purchased bananas, a bag of citrus, eggs, half and half, and bacon.
So I made a chicken cabbage pot sticker with soy vinegar and sesame dipping sauce. And I bought chicken, potato, onion, cabbage, and coconut milk, which I didn't use.
The winning chef is gonna win $10,000, enough for a year's worth of groceries. The chef with the best stuff is Chef Pink.
Oh my God, this is so unreal. Are you kidding me? I think I won this competition because my flavors were on point every time and the judges really know what they're talking about.